Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Torri. If you see by the title, I'll be showing you guys how I get a top knot bun on short 4B hair. Because I think my hair is 4B. Oh, my lips are so chappy. Sorry, my face is really dry. I just got finished washing my hair. My skin is dry. My face is so dry and stuff. We're just gonna get into the video. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel because my subscribers are popping. I'm popping, and you cannot stay with us unless you are popping too. Period. So let's just get into the video. Okay, hey y'all. So as you know, I'm starting a freshly washed hair, and make sure you don't towel dry your hair. You dry your hair with like a shirt or something. And as y'all see, this is my hair all nice and coiled and stuff, fresh out the wash, you know. So the first thing I'm gonna do is separate my hair into 4 sections. It makes it easier for me to blow dry it, and it, like, you know, less breakage basically. So that's what I'm gonna do first. So I'm going to add my favorite oil, which is the tea tree oil. And you're only going to add like a dime size to each section. Make sure you rub it all in, especially on the ends. And because my hair is colored, I always, you know, take extra pride into putting it in the color sections. Now you're going to separate your hair into a smaller section of the 4 sections. So again, you don't, you know, break your hair off. One thing I didn't do, but I'm gonna do in the next one, is that I'm gonna like detangle the ends. But for right now, on like medium heat, you're just gonna blow dry your hair, and then I'm gonna show you. Now the back of my hair is kind of like, you know, the back right there at the bottom is kind of like, you know, short. When I first cut my hair, it was kind of tapered, so that's why the back is just shorter than the rest of my hair. I don't know why it didn't grow out, but you know, it is what it is. So as you see, I'm just blow drying my hair, and I'm just trying to get it not as straight as possible, but as straight as possible. Not too straight though. So again, you're going to separate your hair in 4 sections. Like I said, it's easy to manage when your hair is separated in sections, and it like reduces the amount of breakage. So I'm gonna separate my hair again into 4 sections. It don't have to be perfect. I don't know why I was trying to make it perfect. I'm doing too much. But just separate your hair into 4 sections, and then we're gonna go to the next step. So I know this is not everybody's favorite part, but we're going to add heat, more heat to our hair. So make sure you get your favorite heat protector or whatever. Get a dime size. I put too much, but get a dime size and add it all over to your hair, to your section, from the roots to the ends to the insides, to all over, so you can protect our hair. Make sure your flat iron is not higher than about 400 degrees. You don't want to burn your hair off. And I would say recommend doing like small sections. Like I said, we're not really trying to achieve like a silk press. We just want our hair to be a little bit more like slicked down when we do the top knot button. So we're gonna flat iron it and make it look a little neat. So we just gonna brush everything up, you know. I know the edge is looking like kind of frizzy right now, but trust me, give it some time. You just want to brush everything up for right now so you can see how much product you gotta put in, where you gotta put your product at, and everything. Basically, like measuring everything out, seeing where you want to put your bun at, you know, just looking for things first. Alright, so today I'll be using Sweetie's Edge Control from Kiss, or you can use any edge control if you like. I would recommend using your edge control and not like an eco styler or anything, because if your hair is like mine and the curl up with any product, I would not recommend anything else. So you're just gonna smooth your edges out, make them all nice and pretty. They're not gonna be permanent because obviously you're gonna go back and fix them, but for right now you're just gonna like smooth them out and make them look nice. So now I'm gonna take some oil wave Future's hair. This is the hair I used when I did my butterfly locks. And you're basically gonna use that same method and you're gonna like detangle the hair, make it messy as possible. Like as possible. I think I took like about 4 strands and I put my hair in a little bun to make it a little bit easier to wrap around. Now this was kind of like the hard part. You could take a brush if it's not like frizzy enough for you. Like you really want that joint frizzy, like extremely frizzy. And you're just gonna wrap it around, and don't wrap it too tight like I did, but you're just gonna wrap it around and you're gonna wrap up as you go. So wrap around but wrap up. And wrap up as tall as you can or as you like, because it could go taller than your bun. And you're gonna pull it up and stretch it out. And that's all you really gotta do for real. So you can go back in with your little touch-ups. I touched up my edges, and you can touch up the bun. If you want the bun to be a little bit more fuller and not so skinny, you just pull it out on the sides gently. If you want it to be more secure, you just pin it down with some bobby pins. So that's basically what I did. I just went back and touched up everything to make sure everything was nice and neat and clean and sleek and cute and fine and sexy. Girl, I was a baddie. Alright y'all, so you've reached the end of this video. This is the final result. My little top knotter. I know like right here, I was trying to make them a little neat and not so like poofy, which I might fix later. But this is the end result. If you want your hair to be a little bit more sleek, just tie it down with the wrap. I always try to do my bun first before I tie my hair down, so like, you know, so I know my bun gonna look like. But this is the method. Hold on, let me tie my hair down first. Alright, so this is the method that I use if I don't want to put a lot of products in my hair. So I know a lot of people don't want to put heat in their hair when they want to do like a bun or something. I feel like if you do like a low slick bun, you don't have to do that much heat to your hair. But because I have color in my hair, a low sleek bun is not gonna look right now. But I think that this top knot will be great. I could do a video of no heat of doing a top knot bun. But for right now, I know for a lot of people who don't like to put in their heat in their hair, I just look at it as like you do it getting a sleek ponytail. Like you go to salon and get a sleek ponytail, they have to straighten your hair out first before they do the sleek ponytail. So that's how I kind of look at it. I didn't put that much heat. Like the flat iron was on the 390. I didn't want to put it back to 400. The blow dryer, as y'all saw, it wasn't at the highest. It was like the medium temperature or the second temperature. So you're not putting that much heat on your hair. And also I was using like heat protectants and oils to protect my hair. So you're not really putting that much heat to your hair. And if you really take care of your hair, you're actually really fine. The little sideburns, I usually don't do sideburns because as you see, my sideburns are too long. But we'll just see throughout the day if I want to keep them. I think that's really it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel because my subscribers are popping. I'm popping and you cannot sit with us unless you want popping too. Give this video a thumbs up if you really enjoyed this video. If you want more hair videos, make sure you comment that down below. Follow me on all social media platforms and I will see you next time.